Hi. Hi Buffy, this video is especially for you because I have this strange feeling that you don't believe me about this. Huh? Hmm? I have a strange feeling that you don't believe me, so I was like, oh, let me make a video for him showing it so you can actually see it because you might not even end up seeing it because like you say, you're not gonna come for the summer, which is gonna suck because I was really hoping you would come. But yeah, I just got it done on Tuesday, and it still hurts. It hurts a lot. Well, it doesn't hurt that much. It hurts like when I wake up in the morning. It hurts, and when I'm trying to brush my teeth, it's terrible. But yeah, and I won't be able to take this out for a long time. So, my mom does not know, because I know you're gonna be wondering. And she's not gonna know. Well, at least not yet. I'm gonna let her know when I'm able to take it out because right now I can't take it out. If I tell her right now, she's gonna make me take it out. If I take it out, the hole's gonna close. And it's gonna be pointless. Because why am I gonna go through all that pain just to take it out? Anyways, yeah. So once again, I'm gonna show it to you here. Ah, uh, I'm gonna change the actual ring. I just have to use this for now. I'm gonna get the middle finger ring. That's what I'm gonna get. So yeah. Anyways, I hope you got a good look. If you didn't get a good look, just tell me, and I'll make you another video. In the next, in the if I make another video, it's gonna be me sticking my tongue out through the whole video for like 10 minutes, just to make sure you see it good. Alright, well, bye, and I hope to see you soon. Love you.